This video will go over how to install the Torklift D1111-30 SuperHitch Magnum on a Ram 3500. This hitch will increase the capabilities of your Dodge Ram truck with a 3,000-pound tongue weight and 30,000-pound towing capacity. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Starting off, lower the spare tire. Disconnect the wiring harness connectors on the rear bumper. Remove the license plate from the bumper. Remove the hardware located behind the license plate. Remove the 4 bolts on each side holding the rear bumper to the factory hitch. If your truck is equipped with a rear bumper step, that will also need to be removed at this point. Remove the bumper and set aside. Next, remove all the bolts holding the factory hitch to the frame rails. Remove the rear 4 bolts located within the frame rails holding the truck bed to the frame. The next step will differ between a short bed and long bed. This example is a long bed. Loosen the front 2 bolts holding the truck bed to the frame on each side. Do not completely remove the forwardmost bolts. Once all the hardware is removed or loosened, use a jack or board of wood to raise the rear of the truck bed. Remove the factory hitch by lifting and sliding it rearward off the truck frame. On each side of the frame, align 1 flat washer with the outermost rear hole on the frame rail where the truck bed is bolted. Reinstall and tighten all the hardware. Insert the end of a bolt fisher into the front hole of the frame, labeled hole C in the instructions, and guide it through hole B. Attach a 1x2 plate washer, star washer, and bolt to the bolt fisher. Pull the end of the fisher until the bolt completely protrudes from hole C. Remove the fisher. Drop a 2x2 plate washer, star washer, and bolt through the large hole in the frame and out hole A. Repeat this process on the opposite side of the truck. Next, align the side bumper bracket with the 4 holes on the outer side of the frame rail. The flange side of the bracket must be pointed toward the outside of the truck. Insert a bolt and flat washer through the bracket and frame for each hole. Place the inner side strap onto the protruding ends of the bolt. Secure each bolt with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Leave the hardware hand tight for now. Repeat on the opposite side of the truck. Now you can raise up the SuperHitch cross tube and place one end into the square cutout on the side strap. Insert a bolt into one of the holes, then lift up and insert the other side of the cross tube into the other side strap. Place a bolt into one of the holes. Install the side plates onto the previously installed bolts. Secure each bolt with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Insert and secure the remaining hardware on the cross tube. Insert a bolt into each hole on the inner side straps and through the side plates. Secure them with a lock washer and nut. Now torque all the hardware in the following sequence. First, the cross tube to the side plates. Then the inner side straps to the side plate bolts. Next, the side plates to the frame rails. Followed by the inner side straps and side bumper brackets to the frame rails. Reinstall the rear bumper over the SuperHitch. Make sure all the holes and tabs are aligned and fully seated with the hitch. Insert a bolt and flat washer into each vertical slot on the hitch and through the rear bumper. Secure the bolt with a lock washer, flat washer, and nut. Finally, reinstall the license plate and wiring harnesses. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.